Does an infrared sauna make you lose weight? Now, if you're looking for information that correlates between using an infrared sauna and what it does to your weight, and whether you can lose weight and how to manage your weight, do watch this video. This will explain really clearly what research Clearlight Saunas have done themselves with a university to understand really and quantify how much weight you can lose and how many calories you can burn when you use an infrared sauna. Dr. Raleigh Duncan, the person that I interview, is the founder of Clearlight Saunas and is a well of information and has refined our saunas over the years to get the best wavelength to target things like weight. I hope you enjoy this video. My name is Sebastian Mirau and I'm the CEO of Clearlight Saunas International. And if you like the information, please do give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.
So Rowley, when hearing all the great benefits that infrared saunas give, one that I hear quite frequently is weight loss.
Yes.
And I get it, and I'm sure there's a difference between what type of infrared sauna you use and what the quality of the sauna is, and it would be great if you could talk about that, but also a little bit about how does it actually work?
Yeah, that's a great question. So we actually did a study with University of New York, Binghamton.
Right.
Weight loss study using our sauna. The interesting thing was we had a control group and a group of people that used the sauna for basically 8 weeks. And they found at the end they lost 3% body fat.
Oh.
So that was, and they didn't do anything else but use the sauna. So then it started making us think, because we had people reporting saying, I've lost so much weight just using the sauna.
Yeah.
We were curious. So here's what we think happens.
Yeah.
So when you go into the infrared sauna, you get a vasodilation, your body goes into parasympathetic, which is just a fancy name for it gets very relaxed. So when you're not relaxed, when you're in the sympathetic mode, the body is producing cortisol and adrenaline and all kinds of things that actually make you gain weight.
Yeah.
So it just makes sense that when you're in a more relaxed state, you can lose the weight. You're not holding on to that weight. And we think also it has something to do with the production of HGH, or human growth hormone.
Okay.
Because we found that the people in the study, the ones that used the sauna more later in the afternoon, early evening, they lost a little more weight. And this coincides with this production of human growth hormone.
Yes.
So it's very interesting. The main thing we know is that it works and it's a very easy way. Now your metabolism also gets a boost in the infrared sauna. We know that. So we think it's all these factors coming together, and it just works. It's hard to believe, but it's just that simple. Just go in the sauna.
And sit there.
Yeah, 4 times a week.
Okay.
Yeah, at least in maybe 20, 30 minutes. Somewhere around there.
Yeah. Did you quantify what the calories actually would be that you burn compared to, I don't know, going for a walk?
Yeah,
or a run
I'm not really sure. The interesting part about it is when you get in the sauna, and I see that myself, I have a workout machine and I'll work out.
Okay.
And you get your heart rate up. That's what you're always looking at. I've got my little Fitbit here. So I will get my heart rate up just sitting in the sauna. And so, of course, you're burning calories.
Yes.
We didn't quantify the actual calorie because that's so person dependent. We went more on the percentage of fat loss.
Okay.
Yeah, but I know that your heart rate will go up many times to what would be a working heart rate.
Yeah. I guess what you could do is if you have that mind, you could look at that percentage of fat equivalates to that many calories. Or
Also in the heart rate. You can take a heart rate. There are formulas you can take. If you get your heart rate up to a certain amount.
Okay.
For so long, it's burning this many calories. It depends on your body weight and your height and the mass and all these formulas. But we look for indicators. So these are good indicators that you're getting your heart rate up, the weight is going off, and you feel better. At the end of the day, do you feel better?
Yeah. Well, that's an awesome indicator.
Yeah, most important.
Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please do like it and subscribe to our channel.